Welcome to Inbound Tutorials. I am Emma. In today's fast-paced and competitive business landscape, implementing effective inbound marketing strategies has become essential for success. But navigating the complexities of the inbound methodology can be challenging. That's where an expert guide comes in. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of having an expert guide in the inbound methodology. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Understanding inbound marketing. Before we dive into the benefits of an expert guide, let's briefly recap the fundamentals of inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is a customer-centric approach that focuses on attracting, engaging, and delighting potential customers at every stage of their buyer's journey. To achieve these goals, inbound marketing utilizes various tactics, such as content creation, social media marketing, search engine optimization, and lead nurturing. However, executing these strategies effectively requires expertise and in-depth knowledge. This is where an expert guide, like an inbound marketing consultant or agency, plays a crucial role. An expert guide possesses the knowledge, experience, and insights necessary to navigate the intricacies of the inbound methodology. Their role involves understanding your business goals, identifying your target audience, and creating a customized inbound marketing strategy tailored to your specific needs. Now, let's explore the benefits of having an expert guide in the inbound methodology. An expert guide brings a wealth of expertise and industry knowledge to the table. They understand the latest trends, best practices, and tools needed to drive successful inbound marketing campaigns. Strategy development. Developing an effective inbound marketing strategy requires careful planning and consideration. An expert guide can help you craft a well-defined strategy that aligns with your business objectives and target audience. Content creation and optimization. Content is the cornerstone of inbound marketing. An expert guide can assist you in creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. They can also optimize your content for search engines, ensuring it reaches the right people at the right time. Data analysis and optimization. An expert guide knows the importance of data analysis in measuring the success of your inbound marketing efforts. They can track key metrics, analyze data, and make data-driven optimizations to maximize your campaign's performance. In conclusion, the inbound methodology can be complex, but having an expert guide by your side can make all the difference. Their expertise, strategic guidance, and data-driven optimizations can help you achieve remarkable results and drive business growth. Contact us today to supercharge your inbound marketing efforts and take your business to new heights. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. I am Emma with Optimarked Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel. Until next time. Thank you for watching.